Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this beautiful box. It is the Buzztv XPL 3100. So you can see that the box is totally white with just marking on the top. So once we open it, the components that are part of this is a power supply, which is 5 volt 2 amps. And the connector that is going to be connected to the dongle itself is a micro USB connector. It also comes with a HDMI extender, which one side is female and the other side is male. So this way, when you connect this to your TV, then you have a lot of flexibility to put this on, and this way you can move it back and forth. Now, this dongle also comes with a Bluetooth remote. This also comes with a ARQ100 remote. It is created by Buzz. It is double-sided. You can use the keyboard in the back. We have a video on unboxing this one and how it functions, but we're going to use this for today's video and how this is going to work. And also it comes with a beautiful antenna, and this way you're going to be able to connect to your dongle itself. Here is the Buzztv XPL 3100. This is how it looks. It's very small, very slick, and let's go through and get some pictures out of it so we can show you more. Alright, so let's get this connected. So make sure that you connect your Air Mouse dongle at the bottom of your XPL 3100 and then go ahead and connect your HDMI. Now in this case, I am going to use a capture card so this way I can cover everything. Going to connect it and then go ahead connect the power. So as soon as you go in, this is the main screen you're going to see. And while you're seeing it, there's going to be a black line around it. So we're going to fix that and then we will cover everything else. So first, you can see the Buzz logo on the top, and then you also have the time on the right hand side. As soon as you connect it to the internet, which mine is right now, the time will be corrected. Also, the Bluetooth is going to be on because of the Bluetooth remote, but it's not connected yet. So we will go to settings and then we will go to display. And here you will see the first one says screen resolution. Now when you click on this, you can, if your box is 4K, you can change this to 4K. I would really suggest you turn off your auto switch to best resolution off, and also deep coloring mode or color mode. I turn both of them off and I just set it up under 1080p 60 Hz. And the next thing I'm going to do is going into a screen position. So this way I'm going to cover the full screen. And to do that, you can zoom out so that we get smaller, or you can click on zoom in. So this way it's going to be bigger and full screen. And that's what I'm doing right now, and became full screen now. So we will get out of it. There's one thing called Daydream. If you have it on, which mine says clock, I can turn it off. So this way it's not going to bother my box going to a sleep mode. And also you have the HDR. Now, yes, this is HDR. I left it on auto, makes it a lot better that way. And we will get out of it. Next thing is going to Wi-Fi and connecting to your Wi-Fi. So remember that this does not have an Ethernet connection, so Wi-Fi will be the best. You can see right now I am connected with 2G network, but I would really suggest that you guys going to be connected to a 5G network. This way it is going to be connected a lot better. But if you are a little bit further from your router, then go ahead and connect it to your 2G network. The next thing is going to be the update. So you can click on update, and if there is any updates available, you're going to be able to see it right here. So if there is any updates available, you can go ahead and click on check for updates, and then it will tell you in the bottom if there is an update available or not. So we will get out of that too. The next thing I want to cover is going to be the main screen again. So we have 5 icons just like the 3000, and then in the bottom you have some shortcuts. You can click on the plus sign, and that way you're going to be able to add and remove some of these apps. So in this case, you can see that the ones that I'm going to cover is already have some stars in there. So there you go, I just added CPU Z, so this way we can show it in the front. And now you can also remove this app by just clicking for a few seconds, clicking OK on the remote, by the way, and you will be presented with this little pop-up, and you can click yes to remove. This is really cool things that I like to cover all the time. Let's go through and cover a few things. So we will go to AID A64. This is a really cool app. It will give you a lot of information about your box. So let's go ahead and launch it. You can see their system itself, it says Buzz. Under model, it says ATV 195X. And also if you go under board, it is STVS9. That means created for the S905X chipsets. And going under hardware, it is AM logic. And going more, has more information that you require. And here's the RAM. It's 2 GB. And how much is available, how much is used. Internal storage in this is 8 GB. And you can see that 4 has been used and about 3.5 left empty. That means is whatever app that you're going to install, you're going to lose more space. But it has an SD card slot on the side, and this is OS 6. And I will show you in a few seconds. You can merge more space, and this way you can use it. Going under Bluetooth, it is 4.0, which is perfect. And also going in the bottom, you have a lot of things here for the HDMI, for location, Ethernet. But let's go next under CPU. You can see that it is ARM Cortex-A53 running on 1512 MHz. It is running 32-bit software, and it is quad-core, the ones that are running and the ones that are sleeping. This is done really good job. And also how much of utilization it's taking. And going down, it has more information that you need. Going under display, right now I am capturing under 1080p, and I already showed you guys. And going under the GPU, it is Mali 450. It is running on 60 Hz. And we are landscape, yes, of course. And the OpenGL is 2.0, OS 6.01, which is Marshmallow. And then going down, it has some more information that you require for this. In a way, it will generate heat, but it is not going to be so hot that it will burn your hand. We can see that how much of the heat it can generate. The boxes are usually about 40, so it's not that much more. So here you go. We have the H263 there, we have MPEG 2 there, and if we go up a little bit, I am sure that you can see right there is the 264 codecs. This is something that you're always looking for. Now that's not the only thing we have went through. The next thing we will cover is going to be YouTube app. So we will launch it. So once YouTube comes up, you can see that everything that you require is on the main screen. We're going to say 4K. So this way we're going to be able to show you some 4K images. And there you go. We will select the first one. And then we will go to the quality itself. So you can see that the maximum quality that we're getting is 1080p. So it's not going to give you anything higher than that. So we will get out of this app too. The next one will be the live TV itself. Now for that, we will go to settings. We will go to so the last thing I want to cover is going to be speed test. I will click on it, and I want to mention that I have already run some tests on this with 2.4 and also 5G network. Under 2.4, you can see the best number I got was 30.9 for download and 32.1 for upload. Remember that where we are, we have a gigabit download and we have 30 megabit upload. So you can see the second time that I run, I got a little bit lower, but this was our best number for the 2.4 single band Wi-Fi. The second time that we have done is 5G network, and you can see that my download rate was, the best one was 228 megabit download and 32.7 megabit upload, which is the maximum range that we can get out of Rogers. So here you go. These are our take from the Wi-Fi. So they have done their job perfectly on the 5G network, but you have to understand 5G network is a little bit smaller space. 2G network is, or 2.4G network, single band Wi-Fi is a little bit longer space. So if you want to get a reliable connection, go with the 2.4. But if you are in the same room, like if you're in a condo or something, connect it to 5G and you will see a little bit better connection. And that was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.